Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we're going to tie a berry knot. To make a berry knot we need two pieces of cord that are the same length, and we need to find the center point of the cords, and then I'm going to attach the cords to my gold ring, and I'm going to do that using a lark's head knot, and I'm doing the same for both of the cords. I'm going to use my macrame board to assist me in tying my knots, and I'm going to secure my center cords on the bottom of the board to keep them firm whilst I tie my berry knot. So in order to make a berry knot we need to make some square knots, so I'm going to start by putting the left cord over the center cords, and I'm going to bring the right cord over and tuck it under all of the cords, and then when I tie it tight I'm just going to leave a small gap at the top, and then I'm going to complete my square knot by putting the right cord over the center cords and putting the left cord over the top and through underneath and making our first square knot. We're now going to repeat that because we need 3 square knots in total, so we're just going to keep repeating the process, doing them from the left and right until we have 3. Once we have our 3 square knots, I'm going to release the center cords from my board. I'm going to thread our center cords through the gap, pull them through the back, and as we can see now, that is pulling our macrame cord up on itself, and that has formed our first berry knot. Then I'm now going to secure my center cords back on my board, and to secure the knot we're just going to tie a square knot using the outside cords. And there you have a berry knot. If you want to do another one, then we're just going to do 3 square knots again, but again we're going to leave a small gap in between, and then we're just going to proceed to complete our square knot, and then we're just going to tie a further 2 square knots again. Then once we have our 3 square knots, then we're going to take our center cords and thread them in between the small gap. This can be a little bit fiddly this time, so I'm just going to do them one at a time. Once the cords are through, we're going to pull that quite tight. I'm going to secure the cords on my board to hold them tight, and then to finish it off we're just going to use the outer cords to tie another square knot, and that's going to secure our second berry knot. And that's how you can create berry knots using macrame cord. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.